Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I am going to be informing you how to claim Revolut money from the link. So yes, they do have this option where you can simply send or request a link, and once you request a link you are going to be claiming your Revolut money. And let's just say your client pays you over using that link, it will be definitely directed towards your Revolut account. So this is how easy it is. So if you want to use that, what you need to do is simply head over to your payment section, and on the bottom menu you need to tap on the new uh, option, and in the right corner you need to click on create a payment link and then send the money or request money. So once you do these steps you will be able to direct your transfer. So this is how simple it is, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.